Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you that will demonstrate how to create a logo with Canva. Okay, so there's a link in the description to this video which will take you straight to a free trial version of Canva, which you can use for completely free. There's almost everything in Canva is accessible through that free trial version, and then you've got very few things that require the pro upgrade, so you'll be able to use it to its full extent and download images from it without a watermark or anything like that. Luckily for us, it uses templates, so it's very simple to use and very easy to access, and a very sort of gradual learning curve to it. So if you type in the word logo to the search, as you can see, that will give you access to templates, which are total over 60,000. Okay, so any of these are selectable and editable, and as you can see, you've got categories on the left as well as recommendations on the top, which will allow you to kind of narrow down your search a little as well. Spend some time first and find a logo that you like or that you most resembles what you want. As you can see, you know, they're all kind of editable. So if I pick this one, for example, and then just hit customize, that will then open the Canva editor and allow me to make changes to that. I can change the background, bring in images, delete things, replace text, all manner of things. And it's very easy, very simple, very kind of intuitive. So this text, for example, when I select it, so you can see the tools at the top now change based on, you know, as opposed to like an image. You can change the font, the size, the color, all that stuff. And then if you double click the text, you can just, you can see it appears straight then. You can just type in there whatever you want, and then that will then replace that text with whatever you've typed in. You still got access to some of the templates on the left hand side here. You can upload images and add more text, and you know, I can see that you select the background and that just gives you this black square which you can modify the color of if you want to change the logo up for any particular reason. And you know, like I said, that's it really. It's as simple as that. Spend some time on it and you'll get used to it very, very quickly. And like I said, there's a link in the description for this video that'll take you straight to Canva, and just give it a go. If you've got any questions or any suggestions for future videos, you can leave them down below. And if you like this video, give it a like, of course. And if you want more content of this nature, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.